As a destination, it's hard to decide if Woodloch Resort is better known for its award-winning, all-inclusive family vacations or its spectacular 18-hole championship golf course, or for its nostalgic, warm, and hospitable decades-old history. Actually, Woodloch is known for all that, but local discovery is shining the spotlight on Woodloch as a destination for corporate meetings.
People are very competitive right now in trying to meet budgets and fine-tune their events, and this is just a perfect option for them, and team building is definitely at the top of the list.
Corporate meetings here include some really cool team building exercises. In this exercise, each team is given just 7 items to build a boat that will actually be raced in the lake. We'll get back to our teams in a minute, but first, there's one other reason to keep Woodloch in mind. Weddings, truly unforgettable for the bride, the groom, and the guests.
We have been coming to Woodloch for 30 years, 75 visits, and our daughter actually got married here a few years back, and the wedding was absolutely beautiful. We couldn't have asked for anything more. It was very reasonably priced. Everything went well. The staff, everybody took such good care of all of us and our guests.
Back to the boardroom boat races. You can see why companies come from all over the world to this hidden gem in the Poconos. For your next corporate event, reunion, or wedding, think Woodloch Resort in Hawley. Go to woodloch.com for more information or call 1-800-966-3562.